What the bear, buddy? Okay, so once again, beginning of the month, so we have Unreal Christmas. Click the banner above here. Boom. If you don't click the banner above there, okay, then you can just go to free right here and go to free for the month, and then permanently free collection for the other one. Okay, so what do we get? We get let's go there again. Okay. Advanced stats. Let's go through these. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that you get. Pretty damn cool. Pretty cool. So this is a stats widget. If you're making like a game and you want to show the stats at the end of the game, cool. That's what you can do with this one. It's pretty cool. I'll never use it. Never make a game. So, but pretty damn cool. So all your stats, if you want end of the game stats and stuff, right there. All good. Next one we have is Orca Full Animation Bundle. Now this one is pretty damn cool because there is a ton of stuff here. I mean, if we look, I'm just going to switch off the sound for these things. But I mean, if you look at these things, there's a million animations here. This one is the yoga. So if you want to do a yoga thing, okay, yoga. If you want to do a gym set, they're all here. And they're actually pretty cool. I mean, they work. They do what they do. I mean, can't see myself using these kind of animations, but here's a cardio one. Okay, this one probably I could. Yeah, I mean, if you're doing like an army thing or something, or you want some cool idle animations and stuff, boom, baby. This one I could see myself using, and actually they look pretty good. I'm pretty happy with those. Then you get the ultimate game animation set. Now this one is a little bit. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Don't know what it is. Still don't know what. What are we looking at here? What's going on? Is it blowing in the wind? I'm not too sure what these are. That one looks like it's hanging. Okay. Oh, okay. Jump and hang. Okay. My God. Now this I like. This is something I can use. That is awesome. Still, don't know what it is. Okay. I can use one so far. I kind of like these. I like these sitting down animations and stuff. They look pretty cool, so that I can use. So these are all for like in game. It looks like it for your actual character. They not really for cinematics, more for like an actual character, and that's cool. Comes with a chair and everything. Awesome. And then you get the Unreal Ultimate Animation Set. This is probably the first one. Okay, okay, player. Okay, player. And this is pretty cool. Like this is awesome. So with guns, sets like this. Yeah, okay. So these are pretty cool. I mean, damn, bro. A ton of animations. Climbing, this. I mean, that's pretty cool. Okay, they've done a good job with this. They've done a good job. There we go. You want that next army game of yours and stuff? This I could see using with a bit of a sequencer. You could splice these animations together, make some really cool cinematics, or use them for your character. But this, yeah, I can see myself using this one. This one's a good one. Ooh, that's nice too. That's nice too. So, pretty damn cool. Wow, a lot of free animations, guys. This is amazing. Grab it. It's awesome. Look at this. So, very cool. Very cool indeed. Und this, was ist das? More animations. More animations. So even more animations. I mean, there's a ton of animations here, people. Really cool little things here. So highly recommend you get these. These are cool. Them's pretty. Them's pretty cool. Look at that. Look how he walk like that. He walk like that. He get cool. Okay, changing out mags and stuff. There's a lot of animations here, man. A lot of nice little idle animations that you could probably use. There we go. I mean, yeah, awesome. Really cool. Damn, son. That's a lot of animations. Then you get the magic and spell sound, which is pretty daggone cool. I'm not going to play them here, but this is a whole pack. Magic and Spell Sounds Pro. This is wicked. So 1615 high quality sound effects for magic spells, effects, magic elements, and more. Awesome. Pads, times, and magical elements. Casting sounds. That's awesome. That's really cool. What else we got? What else we got? Oh yeah, this is pretty cool. Biodomes, procedural biodomes. Okay, so This, once again, you can create some really nice biodomes with this. Now, for me, okay, they look pretty realistic there, but sometimes they look quite stylized. They got this little bit of a stylized look to them. And in all honesty, I like this. I like this. I don't mind the stylized. It's, you know, it's a little bit of a different take to what we get always, which is completely realistic stuff from Megascans, which is amazing. This is just a different take on it, and it's a little bit stylized, which I do like. This is fantastic. Awesome assets, people. You can create this entire thing. This is insane. Different seasons, different weather. That's a good one. That's a good one. Then you got this trace detector. So this is more for like if you're creating a game, like shooting bullets or casting swords or whatever, and if it hits if it hits the area, and then obviously you can set up your events and stuff like that. So pretty damn cool. Visual trace finder, path tracer. Did it hit? Did it hit? Did it hit? And then finally you get this triplex house villa, which is sweet. So this entire thing you get this month, which is worth a fortune, man. I mean, this is like what I think it was 300 euros or something over that. All the assets combined, and this is pretty cool. Okay, the house is pretty cool. So very cool, man. Amazing little things. Once again, they free. They are free, peoplings. This is free. Go get them. Like I say, even if you don't use Unreal, go get them. It's free. And these assets, if they're not made by Epic, you can export them into other programs, Maya, Blender, Daz, whatever you want. You can send these, and you can use some of these items in there. Look at a little cat. Look at a little cat. You don't want that little cat? Go get the little cat. But yeah, anyway, I hope this helps. This is really cool, man. This entire triplex house villa. Awesome stuff, man. Awesome stuff. A whole bunch of cool assets, completely free. Go get them. I can't believe Epic is still giving away all these assets for free every single month. Anyway, I hope this helps, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks, guys.